Hey all, welcome back to my channel, The Language of Fashion Designing by Tanya.
Today we will learn how to trace or make template or sloper out of this child bodice block. For that we require a drafting of child bodice block. If you don't know how to draw this or how to draft this, you can check my previous video where I have taught you how you can draw this drafting of child bodice block. This is of 5 years old child. So the material required: the drafting, a carbon paper, a scissor, few thick sheets and a pen or a pencil for tracing. So let's start. First we have to place the thick sheet. On that thick sheet we will place the carbon paper. The wet side of the carbon paper must be faced towards the sheet which we have placed. On this sheet, place the part of the drafting which you want to trace. So here I want to trace the back of this bodice block. So I am placing only the back part of this drafting on the paper. Now let's start with the tracing. So we will start from back neckline and trace the back shoulder slope, then back armhole, after that side seam, then hemline. You have to be very careful while making straight lines. If you are not able to draw straight lines freehand, you can use scale too. And the center back. So we are done with the tracing of child bodice block back. Let us write the same. Similarly, we will trace the front of the bodice block. Here I am using scale to trace it. So it is quite easy to trace this with the help of scale. While tracing, make sure that the 3 layers are stable. You can use French curve too. So we are done with the tracing of child bodice block front to we will also write the measurements which we have taken to make this drafting. So the round chest which we have taken is 59 cm, midi length is 27 cm and across shoulder is also 27 cm. We will write the same on front too. Now we have to mark few more markings on it. So first thing which we have to mark is grain line of this bodice block. So the bodice will be cut on grain. For that we will mark a straight line on the both. This is our grain line. Let us label this bodice block. So this is our center, back. The point touching the center back and neckline is our center neckline point. The point touching the neckline and the shoulder slope is highest shoulder slope point. And the point intersecting at the shoulder slope and armhole is known as lowest shoulder point. This is our armhole. This is our side seam line and this is our hemline. Let us mark the same. on front.
Armhole, side seam, hemline.
For back, this is our center back, and for the front, this will be our center front.
Center neckline point, highest shoulder point, lowest shoulder point.
So we are done with the marking and labeling. Let us cut these slopers.
So these are the templates or slopers of basic child bodice block which we will use as a guide to make something or to make adaptations or to create different styles of bodice block. Don't forget to like, share and comment.